The toughest projects require the toughest tools, and Arrow's PT50 Pneumatic Staple Gun is nothing short of tough. Offering durability, comfort, and precision, the PT50 is designed to get the job done. With an easy load magazine, an overmolded grip, and an adjustable exhaust cover, this tool is easy to use and delivers quality performance with every staple. The air inlet fittings will attach to any standard pneumatic hose, and will operate with home compressors up to 120 psi. The PT50 features bump firing action, not only speeding up larger projects, but also eliminating any strain on the hands compared to manual staple guns. And of course, safety is key. This tool has a built-in contact safety feature to prevent accidental misfires. This pneumatic staple gun works with all sizes of T50 staples. Plus, Arrow offers online video instructions for reloading and unjamming this tool. Unlike previous models, the PT50 does not require pneumatic oil, making it easier to maintain. The PT50 is perfect for larger projects and stapling into harder materials. It's best suited for large home repair projects, upholstery, insulation, house wrap, and roofing felt. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We'd love to see the projects you're working on.